Jai Sri Krishna. Jai Sri Krishna. Everyone say
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai
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 Sri
Shri
Jai
Krishna.
Shri
Krishna.
Krishna.
Jai Sri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Wow, it's such a beautiful gathering today. And we all are here to celebrate the birthday of a great, great divine incarnation is Lord Krishna. And always is a great pleasure to celebrate the life of such a great light of the universe. Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. Krishna is a personality of joy. Krishna is a personality of love. Krishna is a personality of happiness. Krishna is a personality of freedom. And I would like to welcome you all in this beautiful occasion. And I would like to first thanks to our dearest brother Harish, who has, and Guna Bhai, and Swami Ramcharitji, and our children, those who decorate so nicely this beautiful decoration, whoever participated in this decoration, I have a special thanks to all of them. From yesterday, we have been celebrating this beautiful day. Yesterday, we had a nice time with Swami Sankarananda Giri of Kriya Yoga Ashram, and we had a very nice celebration. So, my heartiest welcome to each and every one. And Ashwinji and Mataji, thank you so much. And thank you Sadhana ji. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much Lavanya ji, Dr. Lavanya ji, and our dearest yoga teacher and the star of World Peace Yoga School, Devesh Bhargav is here, and Daniela and all and everyone is here to celebrate the beautiful birthday of Lord Krishna. And congratulations to all of you. My heartiest congratulations to everyone. So, first we do a small puja. After the small puja, some worshipping to Krishna. Then we celebrate the birthday of my brother Gopal, who was born in the same day of Krishna Janmashtami, so that his name is Gopal. We are four brother and sister, so among the four, he is the third one. And he is with his family, with his wife and children. So, and lots of blessings to him and his family, and we are so lucky. And we have our all great family members, Sachidanand ji and my brother, and everyone is here. So they are all here to celebrate the Janmashtami. इधर आ जाओ आप. So here your dance teacher and our beloved sister Millie is here. So I hope you remembered her, who taught you dance. If she has not taught you, then you are going to teach them, the new group. Okay? Yes. So we all are here. After that, we do a kirtan and satsang. I will tell the story of Krishna Janmashtami. And our teacher of World Peace Yoga School, and many of you have already learned some Kundalini and Tantra. Our dearest Flavia and her friends are also here to celebrate the Janmashtami with us. Thank you so much. So आप लोग यहाँ डांस करो, जन्माष्टमी डांस नहीं करो ना. अच्छा उठो, अच्छा बेटा ଆପଣ ବି ଆସନ୍ତୁ, ଭଲ ଲାଗିବ. ना कभी बोले श्री कृष्णचंद्र भगवान की, बोले राधा रानी की, वृंदावन धाम की. ये भगवान आते नहीं, कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं. ओ गंगे जमुनेश्चैव गोदावरी सरस्वती नर्मदे सिंधु कावेरी जलेस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु. कुरुक्षेत्रे गया गंगा प्रभासे पुष्कराणि च. एतानि पुण्यतीर्थानि पूजा काले भवन्तु नः. ओम पवित्र पवित्रो वा सर्वावस्थान गतोऽपि वा या स्मरेत् पुण्डरीकाक्षं स बाह्याभ्यन्तरशुचिः. ओम पुनात पुण्डरीकाक्षं पुनात पुण्डरीकाक्षं पुनातुः. ओम अपवित्र पवित्रो वा सर्वावस्थान गतोऽपि वा. Just and I'm giving you this water, Ganga water, to all of you. Take this. वल्लभम ते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, कहते हैं भग आते नहीं. के जैसे नाते नहीं, सवरी के जैसे बुलाते नहीं. केशवम दामोदरम. ओम श्री विष्णु 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 श्रीमद्भगवतो महापुरुषस्य विष्णुराज्ञया प्रवर्तमानस्य आद्यस्य ब्रह्मणोदितपराधे श्वेतब्रह कल्पे वैवस्वत मन्वन्तरे अष्टाविंशतितमे कलियुगे कलिप्रथमचरणे गोलोके जम्बूद्वीपे भरतखण्डे भारतवर्षे आर्यावर्तिकसान्तर्गते उत्तराखण्डे ऋषिकेशे समाधियोग अष्टमे वयं सर्वे जन्माष्टमी तिथौ भगवान् कृष्ण जन्म उत्सव पालनं करिष्ये। तं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं नारायणं जानकी वल्लभं। You all can stand and dance. You can stand and dance in the birthday of Krishna. Kabhi, kabhi na kabhi. कौन सा गाना अच्छा लगता है तुमको? कौन सा गाना अच्छा लगता है? आजाओ सुनने। अरे बेटा, तो देख रहे हैं आजा आजा आजा। अपना नहीं अपना पद जरा तो। आप आ जाओ। कौन सा गाना चलाऊं बताओ? कौन सा खोला भजन का? कौन लिखी हुई? कौन सा? Okay, so everyone, so you all are going to dance now with Millie and her team. Okay, so Millie is a very famous dance teacher in India. So you all can participate with her and dance. We start with Ganesh Vandana. Everyone stand up. Stand up. Ashwini ji is a very good dancer now. I know. So he started dancing now, and he and his wife is there. So both together they will dance. Okay, everyone. So अभी आजा आजा टीना 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 जय श्री कृष्ण।
गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानभक्ताय गानोत्सुकाय
जय श्री कृष्णा।
गुरुदैत्यबलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसकाराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्राणे गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतपुत्राय धीमहि भूतपूर्वाय गन्धवक्ताय गुरुजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि भूतदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
धीमहि।
गीताय गन्धर्वाय गीतवीणाय गीताङ्गयाय गीतवाद्यपटले गीतचरिताय गानगवराय गायकाधीरविक्रमाय गङ्गाजलप्रणयवते गौरीतरङ्गाय
बोले बांके बिहारी सरकार की। तनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय गोपाल मोर फेसबुक से लगी जाए तो फोन थी मोर फेसबुक जगह तब थी बंद कर दोगे अभी कोट इतना ऑन ना तो म्यूजिक बजातो थी तो म्यूजिक बजाना तो क्या ना गुटे चा गोपाल गुटे गुटे बोले कृष्णचंद्र भगवान की बांके बिहारी लाल की श्री कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी महोत्सव की ಏನು ಅದಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾ ಮಾಚಿಸ್ था कपाल उठाओ चलवा माचिस चलवा
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
कपाल हटा तो बर्थडे होना हमारे dear friends, so today before we start the kirtan and the program, we would celebrate the birthday of Gopal ji, and on this day Gopal also was born, and now he is managing the Samadhi ashram here, and so we are so fortunate to have him here, and I would like you all to bless him so that he can grow spiritually, he can grow in all levels. Your blessings is very important in his life. Today morning he told me and say, brother, I do one thing from today, that I will not use Facebook. So, and on this beautiful day, he promised that he will not be involved in so many things like, but he want to go more deeper into his practice and the life. So, please bless him, and we will make some beautiful program now. Gopal, पहले भगवान को पूजा कर.
Krishna, Hare Hare.
बोले श्री कृष्ण भगवान की. So, किसको आता है बर्थडे वाला गाना? चलो ना, चलो चलो आइटा है, चलो हाँ चलो. So, आइए सब लोग, हम लोग गोपाल जी को बधाई देते हैं, आशीर्वाद देते हैं, उनके जीवन सुगंधमय So I bless Gopal, my little brother, and I am so fortunate to have him as my small brother, and he is doing a work of my elder brother. He is working as an elder brother, being a small brother, and his wife Pinky Surekha, she is acting like a mother to me. So she is not like my sister-in-law, but she is like my mother, feeding me, taking care of me, and whole family make me feel so comfortable. And if I am happy and healthy, just because of these people and all my beautiful team, those who are with me in the Samadhi ashram. So this is a important time for me too. Radhe Gopal Radhe. Namaste. खुश रहो, जीवन सौभाग्यमान हो, सौभाग्यशाली, और इस परंपरा को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए मुख्य भूमिका आज से लेना चाहिए। हरि राधे हरि गोविंद राधे राधे चलो 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 हरि गोविंद राधे से गिरिधारी गोविंद राधे से गिरिधारी. His wife is blessing him. Radhe, oh Radhe. This is a perfect example of husband and wife. आजा बेटा, सौम्या. This is the two daughters of him. Govind Radhe, Gopal Radhe. Govind Radhe, Gopal Radhe. Giridhari Govind Radhe. Giridhari Govind Radhe. Shri Giridhari Govinda Radhe. Shri Giridhari Govinda Radhe. Shri Giridhari Govinda Radhe. Shri Giridhari Govinda Radhe. Shri Giridhari. And Istina, my Chinese daughter. And look at her, how is look, right? This is my Chinese daughter. Radhe Radhe, Radhe oh Radhe Radhe. Radhe. This is my Mexican sister. So, yes, you see, when you come to India, you all dress like this. आ जाओ स्वामी जी। राधे राधे हो राधे राधे, राधे राधे हो राधे राधे, राधे गोपाल राधे
Da dove
राधे।
vieni, scusami?
Yes. Namaste.
Che devo dire? Non so.
Enjoy.
Che dirti? Ciao.
Yes. Roxana.
Ah,
Radhe Gopal Radhe, Radhe Radhe ho, Radhe Radhe.
un attimo solo.
Radhe ho, Radhe Radhe.
Guarda, ho solo o la New York di 3 giorni o la Cairo notturna da darti adesso, proprio non ho altro.
Roberta?
Il 16.
Roberta, chiudi il microfono.
Grazie.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Flavia?
Ma ce l'hai? 3:30?
Flavia?
Hey,
Namaste,
Vishnu.
Flavia. Yes, how are
Namaste.
you?
I'm fine, and you?
Yes, very good. When you talk, just please turn off the mic. When you talk with your friends, turn off the mic.
No, I'm just asking two people to switch off the microphone because they have the microphone on.
Tell her,
you know?
please. Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah, you are Radha, so your Krishna Janmashtami is here.
Gonzo.
Yeah.
Yes,
I just want to help you. Sorry.
yes, thank you. ओके सो सब लोग फूल पकड़ो। So now hold the flowers in your hands. Hold the flowers in your hands. Imagine some flowers. Imagine some beautiful flowers, and bless Gopal for his beautiful birthday. And so कम तरफ चलो आधा फूल उनको देना गोपाल जी को है। आपके जो हाथ में जितना है आधा देना गोपाल जी को, आधा भगवान को देना है। So first we offer to Krishna. भगवान को first we offer to Krishna. Lord Krishna is born today, and let us offer our gratitude for him, so that may he always keep on blessing us, so that his life keep on giving us messages how to live a beautiful life. So आज भगवान के जन्म तिथि पर हम सब लोग भगवान को बधाई देते हैं और प्रार्थना करते हैं कि सो हमको आशीर्वाद दें। बोले बांके बिहारी सरकार की, बाल कृष्ण लाल की, जन्माष्टमी महोत्सव की, बोले जन्माष्टमी महोत्सव की जय। Now we offer to Gopal. So now we all bless to Gopal. So आज गोपाल जी के जन्म दिवस पर हम सब लोग बहुत बहुत बधाई देते हैं। Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Gopal. Happy birthday to you. Now, so now everyone will dance for a while. Okay, so we all dance. Please stand up. Please stand up. Sri Radhe, 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 Sri Radhe. Sri Radhe, Sri Radhe, Sri Radhe, Sri Radhe. Radhe Radhe bol, Cham Cham bol. Radhe. Radhe bol, Radhe Radhe bol. Radhe bol, Radhe Radhe bol, Radhe Radhe bol, Radhe Radhe bol. Mama. Camera check you chota. Radhe 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 Sri Radhe, Sri Radhe, Sri Radhe, Sri World Peace Yoga School रो Facebook रे लाइव कई करूँगा World Peace का Facebook पेज में लाइक कर दो Sri Radhe 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 Govinda Sri Hari Bol. Hari Hari Bol. Okay, so you want to dance more? You want to dance more? Very good, very good. So now please sit down for a while. I will tell a little story of Lord Krishna's birthday. Okay, so maybe the story of birthday of Krishna will inspire you. Why he is called a God? Why we call him God? Jai Sri Krishna. Can you hear me, everyone? It's okay. Can you hear me properly? Yes, very good. So I would like to tell the story of Krishna's birthday. Ugrasen was a very nice king in Mathura. Mathura is a place. At the time there is their palace kingdom, and Mathura's king Ugrasen, he has one son and one daughter. The daughter name is called Devaki and his son is Kamsa. Okay, so the Ugrasen found a very beautiful husband for Devaki, for his daughter, and in the time of marriage or wedding ceremony, Kamsa, the brother of Devaki, he said, I will take you, I will drive the chariot. Okay, and he loved his sister so much, and he was taking her and her husband to their home. And then on the way, there was a big sound came, and there is a voice came from the space. O Kamsa, to whom you are taking the 8th son of Devaki will be your death. He will kill you. And Kamsa was astonished because he was a very cruel person. He was a very bad person. Okay, so what happened? Kamsa was frightened and bring his sword and try to kill his own sister. At that time, the Devaki's husband said, "O Kamsa, what you are doing? You are killing your own sister. So it is not good." And Kamsa said that her child will kill me. That's why I will kill her now. So and Vasudeva, the Devaki's husband, said, when the child will born, I will give you. There is no problem. And then Kamsa said, I believe you. And then he left all. Then when the first child came, first child was born, at that time the father Vasudeva took that baby to Kamsa and gave him. And Kamsa said, what I will do? My enemy is the 8th one. So, but Narada came there and says, Kamsa, you know Lord Vishnu is very, very very critical to understand him. So he can come in the first child. So why he said? Because the sinful act of Kamsa was overflowing. Very sinful person. And then what happened? The Kamsa bring his sister and brother-in-law, her husband, and put them into the jail. And one by one, 6 children came and he killed. And seventh child, what happened? It was transformed in a different way. He was Balaram, and they felt that pregnancy was lost. Now the 8th child was born. 8th child, before the baby was born, God, Vishnu himself, come with his all form, and then what happened? And Devaki and Vasudeva saw Lord Vishnu, and Lord Vishnu says, I promised you that I will be your son. So in the last life, we were the Kaushalya and Dasaratha. In this time, I will be born in your womb in the name of Krishna. So then when I will be born, the jail door will open, and when it will open, then you can come out. And in the nearby village, in the Nanda Baba's house, they have a small girl. You just keep there to me and bring that girl to the jail. So in the night, when Lord Krishna was born, Bale Krishna Kanhaiya Lal ki. So Krishna was born. When Krishna was born, the doors were open. It means that when Krishna came to our life, when this divinity come to our life, all our bondage will become free from all bondage. Okay, so then, and he took that boy Krishna to Nanda Baba's house and bring that girl to them. And when they bring that girl, again the door of the jail will closed. And then what happened? In the morning, Kamsa came and saw they have a baby girl, and he took the baby girl and tried to kill her. And that baby girl went up to the sky and say, "Oh, the sinful man, Kamsa, why you are killing me? I am Durga, and your death already is born." So, and Kamsa was very frightened, and he sent Putana, his kind of a demonic lady, and she hold the poison in her breast, and she went, becoming a very beautiful lady, she went to Krishna's home and tried to kill him. In this way, lots of big stories, many people Kamsa sent to kill him, but nobody could kill Krishna. Understand? When God is with you, when divinity is with you, no negativity can enter to your life. That's why always keep Krishna at your heart. So when Krishna become a little boy, he played so beautifully in her childhood. So what happened? He was stealing the makhan, cheese from every home. So he saw another side. I want to tell you that every home becomes selfish. They are living in their own. Krishna's going everyone's home and stealing the makhan to eat, and he make a gang. The whole gang steal the makhan and misri from every home. It means then everyone felt enjoyment when the Krishna came everyone's home. So the stories goes on and on and on and on, and lots of beautiful story. You can imagine. So in the after a few years, when he became 9 years old or 10 years old, he went and he killed the Kamsa. After he killed the Kamsa, he never came back. So his beloved Radha was so wonderful. Radha is the divine part of Krishna. So, and he didn't come back to Vrindavan again for the sake of humanity, for the sake of to save the whole humanity. What he did, that he went to different places and kill and protect good people and kill the bad people, and in this way he made this world better. Finally, he took the important role in the Mahabharata war. Okay, Mahabharata was the great war happened. There Pandavas and Kauravas, 5 brothers, and Kauravas, 100 brothers, they all fight together with their soldiers. Krishna was with the righteous part and they won the war. So in this way, he established the dharma in this world. So he taught 18 kinds of yoga in Bhagavad Gita. So Lord Krishna's story itself very, very beautiful. By just listening his life story is so encouraging, so powerful, so life-changing. Also, his teachings in Bhagavad Gita is just amazing. That's why he is called Yogeshwara, Lord of Yoga. So this is the small story I try to tell you. Okay, you have any questions about Krishna? Okay, so there are 2 main texts called Bhagavat Mahapurana and Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Okay, so the whole culture of India, the culture of India is all based on Lord Krishna, Shiva, and Lord Rama's life story. The Hinduism is based on the teachings of the great enlightened masters and the great divine incarnation. In this way, we worship Krishna because of his great story and life and incarnation that he has done in his life. He is born in the jail, and whole life he served the humanity in a different way. Okay, so here the God, not only to worship, God show how to live in this life. So the whole incarnation of God in the Hinduism is to show the proper lifestyle, so that I can tell you, that's why Hinduism is not religion, it is a lifestyle practice. So Krishna show us how to become a good person. Okay, so thank you so much. Now what we will do, we have a cake for Krishna and for Gopal. So you see Makhan Mishri is here. So this is a Makhan Mishri cake for Gopal and Krishna. So we will all share this. So then after this we will, Hareshji will lead Kirtan, and if you want to stay, you can stay. If you want to go, you can go after this cake, and we continue the Kirtan also a little bit longer. So, but also I want to feed you the sweets, but virtual sweet, please take it, Prasad. Please take it. 1, not 2. Okay, Flavia, you took 2. Sorry. Yes, please. 1. Okay, Ashwinji, you are taking 3. I know it. Don't take 3. Ashwinji is taking more. He is cheating. Okay, so please take only 1. It's very delicious. Okay. Very nice. So
I'm taking for tomorrow.
oh, okay. Okay. साधना माता जी कहाँ गए आप? माता जी कैसे हैं आप? You take 2 for tomorrow too. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
So
Thank you.
yes. Now, so I didn't know that cake will come. That's why we celebrate already. But still, again, we will do it. Okay. So, बंद लगा चल
I wish you a happy birthday to you. 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 सजी है सारी
मक्खन
सारी टकरिया काना लगे हैं
ब्लॉग को चलाओ इसे
I wish you a happy birthday to you. I wish you a happy birthday
to you.
happy birthday to you. I wish you a happy birthday to you. बीता बंदिया पूरा बर्थडे अब आया है सबको इनवाइट करके तूने बुलाया है ओ शाम बीता बंदिया पूरा बर्थडे अब आया है सबको इनवाइट करके तूने बुलाया है बीता बंदिया पूरा बर्थडे अब आया है सबको इनवाइट करके तूने बुलाया है भूल जाना शाम किसी दीवाने को मैसेज कर देना तुम सबको बुलाने को देखते नहीं मैं करूँ I wish you a happy birthday to you. 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 से तेरा केक बनाना है थोड़ा सा केक तेरे मुंह पे लगाना है
हैप्पी बर्थडे गोपाल
थोड़ा सा केक तेरे मुंह पे लगाना है मंदिर में से तेरा केक बनाना है थोड़ा सा केक तेरे मुंह पे लगाना है भूल न जाना तुम शाम सवेरिया तुझ पे I wish you one happy birthday to you. I wish you one
Happy birthday to you.
I wish you one happy birthday to you. I wish you one happy birthday, Shiva.
Suppose it.
शर्मा अमन सुन डीजे लगा दे, डीजे पे केशव के भजन बजा दे। हाँ, शर्मा अमन सुन डीजे लगा दे, डीजे पे केशव के भजन बजा दे। सुन डीजे लगा दे, डीजे पे केशव के भजन बजा दे। आज खुशी का हमें करना इजहार है, गाना से बोल पूरे तेरा ही प्यार है। चुप लम्हों में बाबा क्यों 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 क्यों। I wish you one happy birthday.
Tina, both.
I wish you one happy birthday to you. I wish
Dance.
you one happy birthday to you. आज सजी है सारी वो कुदरत
You dance. You dance. You all dance. Both dance. Stand up.
I wish you one happy birthday to you. 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 I wish
Pare करेगा.
happy birthday to you. I wish you one happy birthday to you. I wish you one happy birthday to you. I wish you one happy birthday to you.
I started my journey with Healthify Me, and with the help of my wonderful coaches, I lost 11 kilos in 9 months. This is
Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari He Nath Narayana Vasudeva Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari He Nath Narayana Vasudeva Vidhumat Swami Sakha Hare Vidhumat Swami Sakha Hare He Nath Narayana
Vasudeva Krishna Govinda Hare Murari He Nath Narayana Vasudeva
Shri Krishna Govinda
Hare Murari He Nath Narayana Vasudeva
Krishna Govinda
Hare ji
He Nath
Narayana Vasudeva Hare 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 Prana Hare Narayana Vasudeva Govinda Hare Murari He Nath Narayana Vasudeva Churaiya Makhan Churaiya नारायण वासुदेव
गोविंद मेरो है गोपाल मेरो है गोविंद मेरो है गोपाल मेरो है श्री बिहारी नंदलाल मेरो है गोविंद मेरो है गोपाल मेरो है आगे बिहारी नंदलाल मेरो है गोविंद मेरो है गोपाल मेरो है गोविंद मेरो है गोपाल मेरो है बांके बिहारी नंदलाल मेरो है श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव गोविंद हरे मुरारी नाथ नारायण वासुदेव बहुत बहुत आशीर्वाद दोनों को बहुत बहुत आशीर्वाद नारायण वासुदेव कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी हे नाथ नारायण धीरे 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 कहाँ गया माचिस माचिस कहाँ गया वो गोपाल हरि गोपाल वो है ना मॉम हो गया निकाल दे छोटी गैया छोटी छोटी गाय छोटी छोटी गैया छोटी छोटी
লানা ভাইটা
आपको तो कोई किया ही नहीं।
भयो जय कन्हैया लाल की भयो जय कन्हैया लाल की जय हो जय हो भयो जय कन्हैया लाल की बाबू receive these blessings. मैथी असर थिला गोली गोली करो अपन हां और याद थिला कि मोर फोन बिजी थिला ना राधे 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 जय जय श्री राधे जय जय श्री राधे की जय बोले श्री कृष्ण कन्हैया लाल की वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की श्री कृष्ण जन्म महोत्सव की
हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की
हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की
हाथी घोड़ा पाल के जय कन्हैया लाल की
हाथी घोड़ा
भगवान का धन्यवाद हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की
हाथी घोड़ा पाल की जय कन्हैया लाल की नंद के आनंद भयो जय कन्हैया लाल की
अब भी आगे ताली बजाओ सब लोग लाल के इस वाले का भाग्य है हाथी घोड़ा पाल की
जय कन्हैया लाल की
हाथी घोड़ा पाल की
So, dear friends, thank you so much for all your presence here with us, and we could feel you, all that you are here with us in Rishikesh, in the Samadhi Yoga Ashram, and with your World Peace Yoga School and Living and the Vinyasa Yoga Academy. You all are here with us, and your presence bring a lots of different into this program. I am very excited. You see, today we all color the yellow color. So Lord Krishna likes yellow color, so that we all wear the yellow dresses. So thank you so much for being present, and if you have time, still continue. Okay. Oh, who is this boy? Another Krishna is here. Oh, okay, little Krishna. Namaste. Oh, two Krishna is there. Two Krishna. Wow. So, okay. It's Meera. It's a mantra. Oh, mantra. You know that Daniela becomes mantra, and we are so happy. Mantra, you have two
You give
kids. Yes,
You
yes,
give it to me.
yes. I know. Wow.
This is
And
my kid.
okay, and your kid, two son. Which
I
two?
have just one, and he's a friend of my kid.
Okay, your son name is Krishna from today.
Thank you.
Yeah, your son name
Thank
is
you, Guruji.
Krishna. Okay.
Thank you, Guruji.
Yes.
Nice.
And,
Thank you
and
so much.
Claudia, can I give a name to your son?
Yes, we would love that. We should bless.
Ah, okay.
Look, come,
So,
come. He wants to give you a name. Wait, come here. Come.
No!
He doesn't want to come.
oh, hello. So your name will be what is his name?
His name is Kingsley Raphael.
Kindi
He's
Raphael.
the king.
Okay, so his name is Keshav. Come from
Keshav?
Keshav. 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 He is Krishna. Krishna is Keshav. Okay. He killed the demon Keshu, and it means that all the destroyer of all negativity, and he brings positivity. Okay. So your son name is Keshav. Okay. So
Thank you so much, Guruji. He has brought so much joy in our life. Thank you.
yes. Okay. So Martina, Thank you so much, Alexandra, Roberta, Anna, Ankita ji, and all of you. I'm so happy for you all. So, Tina, Kotomi, everyone, Alexandra, yes, thank you all so much. So, dear Venia, Nicoleta, Miho, Kotomi, Julia, Jihan, Flavia, Claudia, Claire, everyone, I have a big thanks to all of you to be with us in the beautiful ceremony. Okay, so, and I would like to introduce Flavia, who is also called Radha. I gave her name Radha, and she is an amazing teacher of yoga and Kundalini and Tantra classes. And we did few times Kundalini, Tantra yoga practices. And I teach here. I teach the traditional Tantra book, Kularnava Tantra and Das Mahavidya, and she did the practicum. She is from Italy, and we would like to do again this kind of program, the traditional Tantra courses. So if you all want, we can do some courses with her and with me. So it depends on you, and we can do just 3 days program. Already we have done Kularnava Tantra and Das Mahavidya. There are around 200 kinds of Tantra traditions, and the books already I have, and we want to do many more things. Okay, so we can let you know. Flavia, yes? Do you want to share? We do not hear you. We can't hear. Turn on your mic.
Okay, yes, thank you. And we are also organize one TTC Tantra course. So if they want to enjoy also the TTC, will be beautiful to do this experience together. And anyway, we just wait for the universe that bring us, you know. So
Yes.
thank you, Vishnu.
Yes. So thank you, my dear friends, and hope to see you again. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your affection. I do not want to stop this, but still, time do not wait anyone, and we have such a great students in this batch going on, and you all bring so much energy to our ashram, and you all bring so much good feeling, positive vibes into our heart. So this only speaking thank you is not enough, but I offer my heart to all of you. Thank you, and Jai Sri Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. May Lord Krishna bring so much love, bring so much peace, health, harmony, wisdom in your life. May Krishna fill all your home with peace and harmony. May there is peace, peace, and peace in your home. May there will be peace, peace, and peace in your past, future, and present. So may all your family members, all your relatives, all your friends get healthy and happy. And in the birthday of Lord Krishna, promise yourself that you follow in his path, and whatever he has taught us in the Bhagavad Gita, in the path of yoga, we all continue to study Bhagavad Gita, yoga, and spirituality, and we continue our journey in this beautiful mission. Okay, so I hope this life can be continue forever, and we all will be always blessed in this beautiful journey. Okay, So so we all celebrate whole night here, and you celebrate in a whole day there in your home. Okay, thank you so much and love you all. Thank you so much. There is another Krishna in the corner. Small Krishna is there. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you.
धन्यवाद.
Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.
Oh, you're